It's all you ever hear. Look like this, think like this, be like this. How do you fight it? We started our own radio station. We keep our identities secret. It gives us the power to say what we want as loud as we want.
We change the rules around. We've got a different sound. Tuned into the underground. 'Cause when it gets too much, you have no choice. Oh yeah, you gotta make some noise. Are you listening? Are you listening? Now we're on the air.
You're listening to Radio Free Roscoe.
Ooh, I think I lost it. I can't take it anymore. Ooh.
And you wonder why my bike's in better shape than yours.
I've never wondered that. What I do wonder is why you've had that bike for 2 months and this is only the 5th time you've ever ridden it.
Because I don't want it to get all scratched up. Besides, I gotta be careful. There have been a lot of bikes stolen lately.
So, when do I get to ride your bike?
When I get a car. Listen, Ray, no offense, but I lend you something, you end up breaking it. Yeah, that was funny. Once. Let it go, man.
Ruin her. It's go time. Oh, hey, Tim, how's my favorite brother doing? Red shirt? No, I don't have your red shirt on. I don't know, check under your bed or something. All right? All right.
Well, that's all our time for today, but before we go, I'd like to wish a very happy birthday to a very special listener.
We're talking about Floyd, everyone's favorite custodian.
Woohoo! Thank you, Floyd. You not only make Roscoe High a cleaner place, but you make it a friendlier one, too. So, Smog, any birthday wishes for Floyd, or...?
Actually, I don't acknowledge birthdays. Floyd has my best wishes, not because he was born today, but because he works hard, always has a friendly joke, and got me out of a locker I was stuffed into once. This is RFR signing off. Peace, Floyd.
All right, well, me and Lily are going to Mickey's. You and Weirdo in?
No, we'll catch up later. Travis is going to play me some of his sound effects from around the world.
We're starting with Tourist Footsteps in the Red Square.
Well, here's the sound effects of Lily and I's footsteps heading for the door. Oh, hey, Robbie, one last thing before I go. Can I borrow your bike?
Since you asked so nicely, no.
I mean, what makes his bike so much better than mine?
Ray.
I know. Oh, man, look at this. Robbie left his bike unlocked.
So, just lock it up. Let's go.
Oh, no. I have an idea. Listen, why don't we, as a joke, steal the bike?
What? No way, Ray. No, not happening.
You know, yesterday, Robbie said your legs reminded him of spaghetti.
Okay, I'm riding your bike because I'm only going to be an accomplice.
All right. This prank is gonna be awesome. Better than the time I enrolled Robbie in cheerleading camp. You know, he got Pom Pom Monthly for a year.
You know, I don't feel good about this, though. We should really tell Robbie.
We could. Linguini legs.
You've got 10 more minutes, okay? And that's all. Hi.
Hey, Beth.
Wow, you know my name. Ray Brennan actually knows my name.
So can we help you with anything?
I'm doing a story for the Roscoe Oracle. It's about if boys and girls can be just friends. What do you guys think?
Yeah, sure they can. Lily and I are just friends. I mean, if we were more than just friends, I'd be up all night, every night, thinking about her.
Yeah, and you know, Ray and I, we've known each other forever. And once you've seen a guy in PJs with little bunny feet, trust me, you can't think of him as boyfriend material. Even if he is kind of cute.
Well, I think at a certain age, things change between guys and girls, and you can never, ever go back to the way you used to be. This is my number. If you want to add anything or just want to talk, call me.
Someone has a crush on you.
Oh, great. The girl finally has a crush on me and she's a loon.
Oh, come on, Ray. There are plenty of other girls who have crushes on you. In fact, it just so happens that...
This is gonna be hilarious, Robbie. It's go time. Oh, hey, Tim. Your black jeans? And why would I wear your black jeans? We're not even the same size.
Oh no.
So what kind of face do you think Robbie will make when he sees his bike is gone?
Oh no.
This one? This one? Or this one?
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
I'm betting it's that one.
So when you ride my bike, know that although the wheels spin forward, you have jammed a stick in the spokes of humanity. Even though I respect your tirade, I think it might have been a bit more prudent to have a bigger photo of your bike.
It's not about the bike, man. It's about my loss of faith.
Robbie, Ray has to tell you something.
Okay. Here's the thing. You left your bike unlocked, right? And I thought it would be funny if, as a joke, I stole it. But then it got stolen from me. And that's pretty ironic, if you think about it. Anyway, I was gonna tell you sooner, but I couldn't find the words to let my best friend know that I let him down. Again. Robbie, I've said I'm sorry a gazillion times. Just forgive me already. But you can ride on my handlebars anytime. Come on, Robbie, I'll make it up to you.
I'm still waiting for you to make it up to me for the other gazillion times you screwed up.
I'm Pronto, and what's stuck in my craw today is people who steal bikes. I mean, don't they realize they're not just stealing a bike, they're stealing a piece of our independence? Willie, what do you got to say?
I got my bike stolen last week, and now I have to rely on my brother to give me rides. It sucks.
Well, I'm really sorry about your loss, Will.
I have Kristen on line 3. She's had 4 bikes stolen this year.
We're actually going to go to line 17 right now.
There is no line 17.
Line 17, go ahead. You're on our fire.
Hi, my name is Ray Brennan, and this whole bike stealing issue is really eating me up inside. That's why I'd like to work with RFR to form a task force to bring these bicycle thieves to justice. What do you say, RFR?
I say we call it Radio Free Dragnet. Ray Brennan will give us his phone number later, but first let's take another call. Vittorio, go ahead.
Hello, Raymond. This is your friendly neighborhood bike thief, and I dare you to try and catch me.
So what do you think of that creepy call Ray got?
Criminal mind craves attention. Just like you.
Travis, no, not right now. I look horrible.
Come on.
Fine. Okay, let me take a picture of you.
I don't think so. I'm not so photogenic. You should see my passport photo. They almost didn't let me back into the country. Hey, I didn't actually mean you to see my passport. Lily, I'm not kidding.
I'm sure it's not that bad. Oh, wow. I've seen better mugs on the most wanted list.
Oh, thank you.
What is this here? Your birthday's tomorrow? This is so cool. We gotta celebrate.
I already told you how I feel about birthdays.
I'm drowning. What do we know about this bike thief? Oh. What don't we know? Oh. What do we know we don't know? These pins indicate where the bike thefts occurred. Now, most of them happened in this area right here, except for these 4, which happened on the outskirts of town.
Those pins are holding up the map.
Or possible future targets. Anyway, since all these thefts occurred in our neighborhood, it's only right to assume that one of our very own is involved. Could it be you? Or you? Or maybe it was you.
But no, it wasn't me. I have an alibi. Ed, tell him I was with you.
No, Ted, you're not dragging me down with you.
Okay, I didn't mean specifically you. Oh. But without evidence, everyone is a suspect. So let's keep our eyes open out there, and hey, let's be careful out there, people.
All right, people, it's time to pack it in.
turn off the lights and call it a night.
Good talk, people. Good talk. Robbie, I'm finally doing this, man.
Look, Ray, I know you mean well, but I can't help thinking this is just gonna turn out to be some other Ray fiasco.
Oh, come on, Robbie.
Are you sure a surprise party's a good idea? After all, Travis did say he doesn't celebrate birthday parties.
Ah, come on. That's just Travis being Travis. I know that deep down inside he wants us to do something.
Well, maybe it's the fact that your parties, no offense, tend to suck.
Okay, they do not. My parties rock, guys.
Oh, do you remember the Spring Has Sprung party? Or as we now call it, Salmonella Sunday?
Oh, and then there was last year's New Year's Eve party. A party so boring, we started the countdown at 8 o'clock.
This party be different.
A party? Goody. Can I come?
Sure, yeah, I was just about to ask you.
Just think, Ray. Our first party as a couple. So, when and where?
Hold on. I love this phone. It's go time.
Hello, Raymond. It's your pal Vittorio. Maybe it's time to pack it in, pull the shades, turn off the lights, and call it a night.
That was Vittorio. The man you think I can catch. Don't think again, bucko. I got his number.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure Mr. Unknown Number will be shaking in his boots right about now. Bucko.
I curse you, call blocking.
Okay, shh, guys, places, people, places. Mickey, do you got the lights? All right, Robbie, do you know what to do when Travis enters?
Gee, Lily, I'm not so sure. Oh, yell Merry Christmas!
Okay, good, great. Thank you very much.
Hey, Lily.
We made a special no yeast, high riboflavin, no sodium cake. Totally low trans fatty acids.
So should we light the candles on the cake now or later?
You know, I think the less we see of this cake, the better.
Later it is then.
Ray, can I get you in the back? And Beth, hi, can I get you over there, way over there, far away from Ray? I don't know, it's a feng shui thing.
Gee, Lily, we'd love to, but we can't. Tell her, Raymond.
Yeah, Beth was generous enough to leave her bike unlocked out front. That way, all we have to do is wait, and we catch us a bad boy.
This is Beth Lee reporting on night 2 of Radio Free Dragnet.
Here he comes. He's coming. Turn up the lights. Turn out the lights. Oh, right. Travis doesn't like happy birthday, so just sing For He's a Jolly Good Fellow. That'd be great. Thanks.
More like for he's a big, gloomy weirdo. Ow! Lily, that hurt!
Hello? Hello, is anyone here?
Jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly...
Travis, wait!
The smell of another successful wrangle party.
Smell of another stolen bike.
Hi. I thought you'd call me last night, especially since my bike got stolen.
Oh, yeah. I'm really sorry about that.
I know how you can make it up to me. You can take me to the Desika film at the Roscoe Rec.
Oh, Desika, who is this? Is he some kind of action hero I don't know about?
No, silly. He's an Italian director. So what do you say?
Well, I would, but, I got this...
Hey.
Just hold on a sec. Hey, thanks for getting me away from Miss Girl Interrupted over there.
Listen, I need to talk to you about Radio Free Dragnet. I no longer want it to be connected with RFR. You're making us look bad.
Robbie! Oh, come on, you know I'm so close. Suspicious character headed for unlocked bike. Go, go, go! Yes, Ed! Good work, Ted! So who's making who look bad now?
They caught Floyd, the janitor. Nice work.
Release the suspect. I repeat, release the suspect. And wish him a belated happy birthday.
It all started when Robbie McGrath's bike got stolen at Mickey's. But I believe it won't end till Ray Brennan gets his man.
Thanks. And yes, I will get my man. Meet me at Mickey's after school today and bring that recorder because it's going to be the story of the century.
That's my sexy little Sherlock.
I close my mind and think that everything and everyone will be alright.
Travis, can you wait a second?
Oh, I'm sorry, Lily. I didn't recognize you without 20 other people behind you yelling, "Surprise!"
Okay, you know what? Throwing you that birthday party was, I guess, a bad idea. But you know what? You didn't have to walk out on me. You may not care about your birthday, but I do.
But who else really cares? That's all my birthdays have ever been about. A room full of strangers that my mother invited. And even if I wanted to get to know them, I couldn't, because by the time my next birthday rolled around, chances were we'd already moved somewhere else.
This is Ray Brennan reporting live for RFR. They say that the criminal always returns to the scene of the crime. Well, in this case, he never left. That's right. This was definitely an inside job. And he might have even gotten away with it if he hadn't used his closing time phrase, pull the shades, turn off the lights, and call it a night. That's right. The bicycle thief is none other than Mickey Stone.
The very man who's always accusing us of stealing his CDs?
Obviously paranoid of theft because it's in his own blood.
Nice try, Encyclopedia Brown. But look at me. Do I look like I could take off on a 10-speed? I've got a stationary bike I haven't touched in 12 years.
Oh, yeah. Guess I never thought of that.
I'm question mark, and I'm wondering, why did we think Ray Brennan could pull this off?
Don't get down, Ray. You'll catch this guy and I'll be with you all the way, every day until you do.
That's what you want, isn't it, Beth? To keep this going as long as possible?
What are you talking about, silly?
I realized it was you who stole Robbie's bike when you said it was stolen from Mickey's. Thing is, every flyer Robbie put up said it was stolen from its warehouse location. Only the real thief would know it was stolen from Mickey's.
I never said that. Besides, I was beside you when my bike was stolen.
Yeah, until the blackout. But when the lights went out, I'm guessing you slipped out the door and hid your bike to make it look like it was stolen. I know this because Lily slugged me. Ow, hurt Lily. If you were still there, her punch would have hit you.
But it couldn't be me. I was also with you when he called, remember?
Yeah, that was a tough one. But you gonna get that?
Hello?
You were able to have Vittorio call while being with me by going into your purse, hitting speed dial on your phone.
It's go time.
Hello, Raymond.
And playing a pre-recorded message on your tape recorder.
And you might still have even gotten away with it if you weren't too smart for your own good.
What are you talking about?
You had to ask me to see that DeSica dude's movie. You know I have no idea who he was.
What you didn't know is I read up about him on the internet and learned that his most famous film was The Bicycle Thief. And the thief's name was, what was it again?
Vittorio.
Yeah, Vittorio.
It's not like it looks. I only stole Robbie's bike, and I did that because I wanted something that belonged to you. Then I guess I got caught up in it, knowing that by creating Vittorio, it might be my only chance to spend time with you. Anyway, doesn't matter. It's your word against mine. You tell anyone, I'll deny it. What's going on? Why is my voice coming through the radio, Raymond?
Because, even though I put it all together myself, I still needed one thing. A confession. This is RFR. You're live on the air.
So that's why I wanted us to keep the show running. Question mark here, and I'm sorry I doubted Ray Brennan. He seems like the kind of guy who always comes through for a friend. Which is more than I can say for myself.
No worries, QM, whoever you are.
Oh, and one more thing. A shout out to Mickey for playing along with my scheme and letting me
Use his cell phone.
Yeah. But if you went over my minutes, you're paying.
Come on. I have a feeling your mom and dad will want to have a talk with you.
Call me Raymond. Anytime.
So what's the emergency?
Oh, yeah, right, about that. I lied. Look, there are a lot of things that I can't guarantee. Like how many people you'll know at your next party, if you'll even be here next year. But I can guarantee that no matter where you are, we'll always be friends.
This song will find you wherever you are. You can go high and low, or near and far. From the plains of Alberta to the port of Zanzibar. When you feel you're but a distant star, this song will find you. It will sneak up behind you, just to remind you how special you are.
I think this is the best party I've ever been to.
Could you tell that to Robbie and Ray, because they think my parties suck.